Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not it's safe to put money in StashAway. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, so I thought I would do a video on it to answer it once and for all. Before we get into the safety of StashAway, let's first talk about what it is. StashAway is a robo-advisor that helps you invest your money. It's a great option if you're not sure how to invest your money yourself or if you don't have a lot of time to manage your investments. StashAway works by asking you a few questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. It then uses this information to build a portfolio of investments that is right for you. StashAway also offers a number of other features, such as goal-setting tools and automatic rebalancing. Is StashAway safe? Now that we know what StashAway is, let's talk about whether or not it's safe to put your money in it. The answer is yes, StashAway is safe. It is a regulated company that is subject to the same rules and regulations as other financial institutions. StashAway also uses a number of security measures to protect your money. For example, all of your data is encrypted and stored securely. StashAway also uses two-factor authentication to help prevent unauthorized access to your account. What are the risks of investing in StashAway? While StashAway is safe, there are still some risks associated with investing. The biggest risk is that you could lose money. This is because the stock market is volatile and can go up and down. However, this is the risk with any investment. Another risk is that StashAway may not be able to meet your financial goals. This is because StashAway's investment strategies are based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. If your goals change, you may need to make adjustments to your portfolio. Should you put money in StashAway? Whether or not you should put money in StashAway depends on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for a safe and easy way to invest your money, then StashAway is a good option. However, if you're looking for more control over your investments, then you may want to consider other options. Overall, I believe that StashAway is a safe and reliable way to invest your money. However, it's important to do your own research and make sure that StashAway is the right investment for you. Thanks for watching.